To check your account balance on Broadcom 2026, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Access the Broadcom portal. Open your web browser and go to the official Broadcom portal. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. Step 2. Log into your account. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to account information. Once logged in, look for the section labeled Account Information or Account Summary. This is typically found in the main menu or dashboard. Step 4. Locate Account Balance. In the Account Information section, find the option that displays your account balance. It may be labeled as Balance, Current Balance, or something similar. Step 5. Review your balance. Take note of your account balance displayed on the screen. If you need further details, explore any additional options provided for transaction history or account statements. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance on Broadcom 2026. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.